Thank you everyone for joining the new workshop today, the love workshop for 5 days. Thank you all for your commitment and your presence because you people are there, so we are able to complete the series of the workshops. So we started with the forgiveness. After that, we have identified the places, people, events where we have to give the forgiveness, and 5 days with that conscious effort we have given in that direction, how we can implement the forgiveness in our day to day life. After that, we move to the acceptance. Yes, we have to accept the people. Not only we have to forgive, we have to forgive and accept them as they are the part of the journey. Life is a journey, and in this life, whatever we got, all the events, all the relationship, they are for us. Actually, they are we invited in our life. So maybe we are not liking in that moment or this moment, that is perfectly fine. However, you cannot eliminate the people from your life. So better way, forgive them and accept this particular event or the people in your life and move on. So it is the freedom given to you. You want to keep that relation in your life or not. However, it is the conscious or sensible effort to accept that and move on. Sometimes people can ask, if we are accepting, that means like we have to forcefully go in that particular path. It is perfectly your choice. However, you should be happy. This is your birthright. You, me, everybody should be happy. The course of action is our ownership. Whatever we decided for ourselves, this is our ownership should be there. The power of the ownership, the power of the acceptance is the key of the happiness. So we did the acceptance for the 5 days. After 5 days of acceptance, we spent the time to make it more beautiful with the help of the gratitude. It's just like we are cleaning the soil, and then after cleaning the soil we are putting some water there, some smoothing of the soil we are putting. This thing we have done in the acceptance, cleaning we have done in the forgiveness of the soil. Then in acceptance we just accepted, okay, this place I am going to accept, and I am going to put the new seeds there to get the new tree or new fruits, what I like to be in my life. And then we have started putting the seeds in that particular soil which we made ready in acceptance. So we are putting the new seeds in the place with the help of the gratitude. So when we start giving the gratitude, that means we are just in building the, we are putting the seeds under the soil, so that one day it will come with the beautiful tree and we will get the fruits from that particular tree. So that is the part of the gratitude. Now seeds are there, and we have moved to the beautiful workshop, which is the love based workshop. So this is just like a natural process, or the nature's process. When we are cleaning, when we are accepting, then we are putting the seeds. Then what should come, we should take care of that particular place, that soil, that particular our plant with the love. If love is not there, then that plant cannot grow, that cannot be healed, that cannot be come with the results which it should come, which you are looking for. So for getting the best result, we have to nurture that particular plant with the power of the love. And you know, the love is the highest most frequency of the universe. So inside, when the soil, when you are putting the seed, then love is there in the terms of gratitude. When you are putting the water, you are taking care of proper sunlight, you are providing the fertilizers. So all these things you are doing by love. Similar way, if you have the kids in the home, what you are thinking, okay, we have to feed the kid, we have to take care of the parenting of the kid. So what you are doing by default, you are doing by love. If you will believe or not believe, if you are not like, you can say that yes, I am not vibrating on love, I don't have the love factor. It is not possible. You, me, everyone in this world, due to the love of our parents, due to that moment when they felt love, that is the birth has started. That at the similar time, when if you are not in love, then you cannot take care of yourself, you are not doing any work, anything in your life you are doing with your core heartedly. If you are doing your office work, you are putting the 14 hours or 18 hours in the work, that means you are loving that work actually. So the meaning of the love is not like the two people are there and same age group and they should be in the love and they are saying I love you and you love me. So this is not only love, this is the one scenario of the love definitely. However, everything is there inbuilt with the love. So that is the meaning of this workshop, so that we can understand consciously awareness. With awareness we can see the love is the seed everywhere. Love is the key all the places in our life. Okay. Not only our birth, at the same time if we are learning any particular game, if we are doing study, if we are doing proper job, if you are doing physical exercise, anything which you are doing with your core heartedly, even if you are doing the meditation with core heartedly to connect with the universe, that is the love. That is the reason, some reason is there for which you are vibrating. And if love is not there, definitely the other side will be there, you're not liking the person. So hate or negative or complaint feelings will be there, which will not nourishing you, which will not giving you health, which will even like remove all the positive things from your life. So this is your choice. Love, gratitude, acceptance, this is your choice to vibrate on the other sides. There is definitely complete set available. You have complaints, you don't like the person, you don't like the situation, you don't like work, that is perfectly fine, then you are complaining. And then complaints are there, at the same time no gratitude. When the gratitude is not there, the hatred feeling will develop with some time of the complaints, some time of the non being grateful or not valuing the person or the event or the particular asset. You will start hating that person or hating that situation. When this type of the feeling will start coming, you will not able to do meditation. You are going away with your self consciousness, you will go away with your universe connect. You will start feeling irritating, that particular feeling will come in your personality, in your body, in your health. You will feel like low, you will feel like very depressive, nobody likes you, I don't like this person is not liking me. So those type of the feelings we start finding in our life all the time, all the places. So that is the result of non being gratitude, at the same time finding the complaints, non forgiving, the person who is non forgiving, non accepting the thanks, and at the same time not giving the gratitude. So these type of the irritating feelings or frustrating depressive feeling will start coming in the personality. On the other side, what is the beautiful thing on the other side? You start forgiving the people. You find it, yes, this is the, yeah, the person just like me. Why I am making the so much issue of the small small things? I should also see myself in that situation, how I am reacting, how I am responding. Am I doing the right on my behalf? Or start thinking in that way, if I am at the other person's place, how I am going to respond, what is my response. So start thinking in that way. If you are, then you will start finding the forgiveness, yes, let it be. Then you start accepting the person or the event. Okay, that is perfectly fine, whatever is going on, we have to accept it, that is fine, I can survive in this situation, this is perfectly fine, I can do the good things also in this particular environment. Then you will start finding the opportunities. When you will start accepting, when you will start finding the opportunities in the particular situation, you will find the appreciations. You will start finding, counting your blessings. You will start liking the other people. So at that time you will find, okay, that person is valuable for me. So you will start converting all those people who you feel like negative for you, they are support for you. That is the frequency shift. That is the change in the frequency. When you feel those people who are like, I don't like, I didn't like them, they are now becoming my support. That is the frequency change. At that moment, when you start counting the blessing, consider that moment in your life, that is your support are coming from that place. When you found the support is coming, you will giving the value to those people, you value to those event or the situations, you will finding the gratitude, you will start appreciating, and then your perspective is totally changed. And when your perspective has changed, what you will do next, you are start liking the person, you will start liking the people around you, because you have changed your glasses. So now you are wearing the gratitude glasses, finding the efforts, finding the giving the value to the person. When you will start this, what will happen next, you will loving the person, you will like to be that person in your life, those people as a support in your life. So that is the next vibration where we are today, is the love vibration. Okay, so that is the reason love is very important. Without our love, we cannot be here where we are today. Somebody can say there was no love in my childhood, somebody has beaten me, somebody has given me very bad experiences of my life, my childhood was not good. This is a very big statement. Some event of your childhood cannot be good. However, it is not possible your overall childhood was not good. If your childhood was not good, you cannot do this workshop. You cannot reach at this place. You cannot get the education. You cannot get the meditation. You cannot get the universe connect. You cannot get the family. You cannot be the person who are you right now. So some events are definitely are not the good events of the childhood. However, overall childhood was not bad, that was good. That is the purpose what we have tried to do in the forgiveness, acceptance and gratitude. We went to the childhood, we found the places, we found the gap, we accepted that, we have given the gratitude to different places of our childhood. What was the purpose actually? To identify the good. Because what we have done, we have given the one generic statement, my childhood was very bad, it was very not pleasant. So that statement we kept in our subconscious mind, and now we went to sleep. Okay, so that statement is doing their work, that is the zombie statement, and it is again every day is coming to your mind. Whatever is not coming to good to your life, that statement is going to help you to get more circumstances, to find the more people, to think in that direction. However, if you are changing your perspective, what was good in my life, in my childhood, you will see, you will find those events, those people, those circumstances when you were happy. Maybe you had good friends at that time, maybe you have good education, maybe you have good parents, maybe you have good siblings. Somebody will definitely be there. It is not possible all the people were bad in your childhood. Okay, so let's start the love workshop. And we have the day one, and because we are doing the sequence of the series, so we are going back to our childhood. And in our childhood, we have to identify the three people who have given us the feeling of the love. Yes, that person loves me. Sometimes we have the feeling, my father loved me more than my mother. My parents loved me. My sibling has given me the love. My friends were very loving to me. My teachers has given love to me. The people or the teacher or the like my that particular place, when I was in that particular place, when I was living in my childhood, that was really awesome. My grandparent connection was with me was very good. Whatever is there, you have to find out, go and dig down, find out the three people from your childhood who make you realize you are loving, you are valuable. Okay, now you are not giving the gratitude to the person, you are not accepting, you are not doing forgiveness. What you are going to find out? Who have given you the love. That is the another side we are going to start. We have to identify the people. Like, yes, my parents have given me, my masi or my aunt or my uncle, whoever has given you even a one single day support, if they have given you in your childhood, find out them. And tomorrow is the day one for love workshop. Find out those three people. Remember all these moments when you feel like you are strong, you are getting the positive motivation from them. Because I'm telling you, love is not saying the I love you to someone. Love is not only the touching and doing a one particular act is not the just love. That is the love, however, that is more places we have the love. Life is love, love is life. So your parents, when they are taking you to sleep, when they are giving you food, that is also due to love. When you are giving those things to your parents, that is the love you are giving to them. Similar way, when you are doing the work with full heartedly in your office, that is the love for the work. You are valuing the person who are working with you. So that you have to identify. Sometimes the friends, they have given you the parties and you are giving the parties to them. You used to think, oh, this is okay, this is a give and take. They have given me the birthday party, I have given the birthday party. It is not just like that. It is the love. You people are going to find out the time, place, money to meet you all together and discuss your things and enjoy and being part of your loveful memories. So different places, different kind of the love, but love is definitely there. So day one, what we have to identify, we identify our childhood places or the people who made us realize the power of the love. Our parents, our sibling, our teachers, our friends, anybody. Identify the three people on your life and say to them tomorrow, I love you because you helped me to know the value of the love in my childhood. Thank you so much. I love you from my heart. So these feelings you can write for the people, for the three people, or you can speak to your mind silently. That is perfectly your choice. However, you have to spend 5 to 7 minutes tomorrow, day one, identify the three people and say to them, I love you because I felt love when you have taught me those particular classes. I love you, my parents, because you have given me full affection, full childhood care, so that I am a grown up, beautiful citizen today, beautiful person today. Thank you. I love you from my heart. So that way we have to say. And it is not necessarily like in the group you will write the name of the people. That is perfectly confidential, you can keep with you. However, you can share the attendance in the group. Yes, I identified the three people of my childhood, and yes, I did the activity. I love them because I got the value of the love by their actions, by their affection, by their care, by their support, by their help. Okay, so this is all about from my side, and we will share the thank you moment for sure. Thank you. This is all about. So